Let me show you how you can fix this problem when you cannot connect your Redmi Buds 6 Lite to your smartphone, to your tablet or PC. As you can see, I'm in the available devices list, but they doesn't appear here. So first of all, you have to be sure that you remove this foil from the stem of any earbud, the left and the right one. That's very important. Then you will have to input both earbuds inside the case and be sure that you charge them for at least 5 minutes. Then you will have to open the case, click and hold this button, and now this indicator will start blinking quickly. But we have to hold until it slows down and starts blinking a little bit slower, just like this. Now wait, release, close this case, open it one more time, and we should be right now in the pairing mode. There we go, right now it's blinking back. So now, as you can see, we are in the available devices list, but if you still doesn't have your earbuds here, you can simply restart the Bluetooth settings on your device. So turn it off, turn it on, click down, and go back. Click to pair new device, and now try to connect them. Click pair, and it's finished. If it still doesn't work, you can simply try to perform the reset of the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.